Good morning, children. This is your English class, and today I'm going to start the first chapter of English grammar. Children, in this chapter, we will know about words to sentences, from words to sentences. So, now let's come to the chapter. Children, if you have your book, then please open chapter 1 and start reading. Children, we speak in words. We write in words. Without words, we cannot express ourselves. Words are tools of self expression. Each word has some meaning. But while writing or speaking, we use several words together. We arrange our words in such a manner as to make complete sense. Children, whenever you speak something, whenever you write something, then we have to use words. As you know, I'm teaching you, and for teaching, I'm using some words. I have to speak. For speaking, I have to use some words. And without these words that I am saying to you, without these words, I am unable to express myself. So, children, we can say that without using of words, we cannot say anything. Words are tools of self expression, and each word has some meaning. But while writing or speaking, we use several words together. We arrange our words in such a manner as to make complete sense. Means, children, whenever we want to say something, then we use words, and these words should be in complete manner, in a proper manner, so that it can express our meaning, express ourselves properly. For example, we can see here. This is a sentence. Horse rides Ram. This is a group of This is a group of words. Can we say it a sentence? Let's know. And the second is a race to begin. Ready. The boys are. Children, in these two sentences, the group of words A and B above are two groups of words, and we cannot call these groups of words a sentence because the words that are used in these sentences has meaning. But when they are using together, they do not have a complete sense. That's why we cannot call these groups of words a sentence, because a group of words that has a complete sense, that has a complete meaning, is called a sentence. Children, each of the words makes some sense, but together they do not make complete sense. So we have to rearrange these words in the following manner. A will be like that: Ram rides a horse. This is the correct group of words. This is the correct sentence, and we call it a sentence. And before it was horse rides Ram. It was not correct. Every word of this group has a meaning, but when we use it in group, then it does not have a proper meaning. That's why it is not a sentence, but it is a sentence. Okay, the boys are ready to begin a race. The next sentence will be like that: the boys are ready to begin a race. Before it was like that: a race to begin, ready the boys are. Children, it was not a sentence. Although every word of this group has a meaning, but when we use it together, then it does not have a proper meaning. That's why it is not a sentence. Okay, and when we rearrange it like that, the boys are ready to begin a race. It is a sentence because this group of words has a proper meaning. Now each of the above groups make complete sense and they are sentences. Now we can call these two groups of words sentences. Now they are sentences. So children, a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Now children, this chapter is over and we will discuss in this video the next chapter also. Now children, next we will know about parts of a sentence. What are the parts of a sentence? Children, a sentence has two main parts. How many? Only two main parts, and they are the subject and the predicate. What? They are the subject and the predicate. These are the two main parts of a sentence. Children, there are two parts of the sentence. How many? Two. And they are subject and predicate. So now let's know about subject and predicate. Children, in a sentence, the doer of any action is called subject, and whatever is stated about the subject is called the predicate. Children, in a sentence, the doer of any action means who performs any action is called subject. Means the person that is performing, he is performing any action is called subject, and whatever that is stated about the subject is called the predicate. For more information, let's know about this table. Children, here are 2-3 sentences. We have to read them properly. This is the first sentence. My English book has been lost. In this sentence, my English book is the subject of the sentence and has been lost is the predicate of the sentence. And in the next sentence, Mr. Raghav teaches us geography. In this sentence, Mr. Raghav is subject and teaches us geography is predicate. And in the next sentence, she has completed the work. In this sentence, she is subject and all the other words are predicate as he completed the work. So children, I hope you have already understood about the subject and the predicate. So children, now this chapter is also over and I will send you the answer sheet of this chapter.